Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. The process is really simple and easy. First let me show you. Currently I am using Meta AI on my WhatsApp, so I am opening my WhatsApp application. And you can see on the top Ask Meta or Search, and you can see the second icon of Meta on the right bottom here. This is the same as this one. So what is the benefit of using WhatsApp Meta AI? Basically, it's an artificial intelligence, which helps you in doing a lot of different tasks. Just for example, if you are a student, then you can ask Meta AI to write your assignment. Or if you are a freelancer, then you can ask him to write a proposal for your client. And if you are a video editor, then you can ask him to write a script based on your video title. How can you get Meta AI? The process is really simple. You don't have to do anything in WhatsApp. The only thing is close the WhatsApp application and open the Google Play Store in your mobile phone. And in the search bar, write the same, WhatsApp, and search for it. And here is the WhatsApp, tap on it, and make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. And if it's not, then update it. After updating the WhatsApp, the feature will be automatically enabled in your mobile phone. Maybe it will not be available in your mobile phone. This is due to in some countries this feature is not available. Maybe after some time it will be available. So it was the basic way by which you can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp.